Assalamualaikum and a very good day to the respected member of the board. My name is Nur Hafizani binti Said and I am the Training and Development Officer at Zeus Coffee Corporate Training Unit. Today, I am pleased to present a proposal for the Staff Wellness and Productivity Enhancement Training Program at Zeus Coffee. This program is designed to strengthen employee well-being, improve communication, and enhance overall productivity across our Zeus Coffee outlets nationwide. This program has been thoughtfully designed to strengthen staff well-being, reduce burnout, and ensure that our frontliners constantly deliver high-quality service across all return branches. I would like to begin with an overview of the program. As we all know, working in a fast-paced service environment like Zeus Coffee can be demanding. Our staff face high customer volume, peak hour pressure, and the need to multitask efficiently while maintaining excellent customer service. The purpose of this program is to strengthen employees' mental and emotional well-being and improve communication and customer handling skills. The scope for our proposal training programs are to increase teamwork efficiently across outlets and support the coffee's missions, which is to deliver fast, friendly, and consistent service. In addition, the key outcomes are to create a much more healthier workplace culture, reduce staff burnout, conflict, and equip staff with practical stress management strategies. By addressing this area, we aim to create a healthier workplace culture, equip staff with practical strategies to manage stress, and promote higher service efficiently throughout the organization. Recently, Zeus Coffee was involved in a widely publicized incident in which a barista was verbally abused and had hot coffee thrown at her by a customer. The company took immediate action by filing a police report and granting the affected employee paid leave and her safety and mental well-being. This situation, which received strong public attention, highlight the seriousness of emotional and physical risk faced by frontline staff, and it reinforced why a structured wellness and productivity training program is not only relevant but urgently needed. Therefore, this program aims to address real challenges like stress, burnout, customer conflict, and workflow pressure by equipping our employee with essential tools to stay healthy, confident, and productive at work. This program focuses on three target audience. The first one is frontline barista, cashier, and service crew. And lastly, junior supervisors and shift leaders. Based on internal observation and customer feedback patterns, this group face a higher customer interaction stress, long working hours, fast-paced order fulfillment pressure, occasional conflict or miscommunication with customer, and limited training in handling aggressive or frustrated customer. This gap make it essential to provide structural wellness and communication support. Because of this issue, a structured awareness program is just not only a beneficial, it is also necessary to support a healthier and more resilient workplace. Next, we are going to the next slide, which I will describe more about the program details. We are going to focus on three major components, which are employee wellness and stress management, customer service, and communication skill, and productivity and teamwork enhancement. It is targeted at two main groups. The first group include our barista, drink makers, and cashier who experience peak hour pressure, demanding customer, back-to-back drink preparation, and long period of standing. Their works require speed, accuracy, communication, and emotional control, especially during busy hours. The second group include junior supervisor and shift leaders who face challenges such as managing younger staff, resolving internal conflict, handling customer complaints, maintaining store performance, and ensuring smooth operation when the outlet become very busy. By designing module tailored to their need, we can create a healthier, more resilient, and more efficient work culture. Moreover, this program will also structure the 3 training modules. The first module, Employee Wellness and Stress Management, focuses on helping staff handle emotional and physical stress. It includes understanding common workplace stress triggers in cafe, practicing simple breathing techniques, learning how to remain calm during customer conflicts, protecting emotional boundaries, maintaining stamina throughout long shifts, and improving work-life balance. This module directly supports issue highlighted by the recent customer abuse case, showing employee that the company is committed to their safety and well-being. The second module, customer service and communication skill. It is aims to strengthen professionalism and clarity in communication. Staff will learn polite communication process, body language awareness, tone control, active listening techniques, and strategies to calm upset customers without escalating the situation. We will incorporate role-play simulation of real cafe scenarios, including how to handle aggressive or impatient customers, so employees feel more prepared and confident. This ensures that all customer interaction reflect Zeus Coffee brand's value of respect, warmth, and quality service. And the third module, productivity and teamwork enhancement. This module focuses on improving workflow and collaboration. The staff will learn time management techniques, task prioritization, quick decision-making strategies, and teamwork coordination between baristas and cashiers to reduce delay. Activities include team building exercise, problem-solving games, and mini workflow challenges that simulate peak hour operation. These activities help staff work faster and more efficiently while maintaining a supportive, positive environment. A productive and united team also reduce stress for everyone. In this section, the logistics for this program include a 1 full day session of 2 half day sessions. Tests are conducted in person at the Zeus Training Center or a rented seminar room. In-person training is recommended to allow hands-on practice, especially for communication and role-play activities. Estimate budget for this program is RM2,315, which covers RM1,200 for trainer fees, RM600 for venue costs, RM300 for food and refreshments, RM115 for training materials, and RM100 for certificates. The implementation plans consist of 3 phases. The first phase is planning and preparation, which includes identifying participating outlets, preparing training materials, and sending invitation. The second phase is training delivery, where day one focuses on wellness, stress management, and communication skill, and day two focuses on productivity, teamwork, and barista role play session. The final phase is evaluation, in which we will gather feedback through survey, observe staff behavior after training, and compare customer service performance before and after implementation. In conclusion, the Staff Wellness and Productivity Enhancement Training Program is a strategic investment in our people. It is designed to reduce stress, improve communication, strengthen teamwork, and increase productivity in all Zeus Coffee outlets. Most importantly, it sends a strong message to our staff that Zeus Coffee values their mental health, safety, and professional growth. I am confident that this training program will bring meaningful improvement to our employees and achieve our aim of purpose. Thank you for your time and attention.